Right, this is just a little short video showing you the spring hanger box section. I've cleaned up around the rust around the area, and I've bolted the actual spring hanger bracket is back bolted to the floor with 2 bolts underneath here that fit into the mounting here, just to line it up to make sure everything's square, and the 2 holes in the front of the mounting at the mounting plate line up with the 2 holes in the floor here. So I know the spring hanger box is actually sitting exactly where it was before in the vehicle, and it's level. Now I haven't cleaned up the floor section yet where it's going to be fitted. This panel then fits like so, and you can see the bolts line up here and they line up here in the floor. So that's all going to be plug welded. You can see I've drilled out ready for the plug welds when I've got it all knocked into shape and just tailor it a little bit better. Once this is bolted to the floor here, I'll know it's exactly where I need it to be, and I'll pull this in to the mounting itself, the box section that's sitting behind here. I'll pull that in with probably a pop rivet through to pull them together, because they're about 1/4 of an inch apart at the moment, but they will press together. I'll pull them together, and then I can plug weld along the top edges here, down into this corner here, and along the floor, clean all that up, and all that will be plug welded, which I haven't done before. So that there will be then the completed. I've got a little bit of tidying up to do here, and I've drilled holes to plug weld along the inner sill here, along the rear edge here, and that part there I had to tailor it out because there's a bit of a bulge there. But anyway, I'm happy with the way that fits, and I'm happy with the way it's going together. But I'll make sure everything's bolted down first before I do any welding, and then inside, just bear with, you can see the back section now is covered over. That's the front bulkhead panel. This panel's got to be tidied up, obviously sanded down, and then there's a panel there that sits over all this. This all gets covered over and plug welded to the back of this spring hanger box, and this panel there, showed you earlier on, will fit in there. I've just got to cut out a little bit of corrosion here and fabricate my own patch to sit inside here. The jacking point's solid, although it's just a little bit. The main part of the jacking point is solid. And I'm quite happy just to leave that. I'll just tailor this in here and clean this lot up and fabricate a little patch to go in there. So that'll be my next job. I'm taking my time with this because you know, measure twice, cut once. So I'm happy with the way that's gone. When I'm just as happy with the inside bulkhead, then I'll like I say, I'll put a couple of pop rivets in to pull it all together, make sure everything's all as it should be before I actually start fabricating it back together. So thanks for watching my videos. If you're liking the channel, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Just gives me a little bit of encouragement. Thank you.